to a giveaway I want to do. I want to do a giveaway because the YouTube, it's me, Unique here, and I wanted to come with a quick update on the spring twist hair because some people have been asking me for an update on it, and I was going to do it on 2 weeks, but I don't know if I'm going to have time on the day of 2 weeks to actually do the update. But as of today, I want to say, because I did it Saturday a week ago, so in a maybe it's been about 11 days, 10 or 11 days since I've done my hair, and it's holding up pretty good. There are no like tangles, and it's still bouncy, it's still fluffy. Let you see my edges and all that other stuff. My edges are still doing okay. My hair tends to grow really fast, so that's one thing you got to keep in mind with how my new growth look. And then on top of that, my edges, you know, they are growing out. So, you know, usually when I do my edges, and I'll do a video on how I do my edges in detail, like when my hair gets old. But a lot of times when you have these crochet styles, they actually look better once they get older. You know, they look more natural. But right now, it's still all good. Let me turn around. I'm standing up doing this video, so it look kind of weird. So I'm gonna turn around again. Woo! My little goofy ass. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Like, the hair's still holding up. It's still bouncy, as you can see. It's bouncy. It's not tangled. What I do at night is I put it up in one ponytail, pineapple, whatever you want to call it, and then I put on my bonnet. It's a really big satin bonnet or something like that. Yeah, it's a big satin bonnet that I put on it, and I probably went to sleep maybe twice since I've done my hair without a bonnet, and it's still looking pretty good. So yeah, those my edges. You know, they ain't the best right now, but yeah, that's pretty much the update. Also, I want to let you all know, and maybe I want to say one more day, I'll have the rules to a giveaway I want to do. I want to do a giveaway because the feedback on the original video for the spring twist has been amazing, and I want to do a giveaway. I want to go ahead, and I got the hair today, so I just need to make the rules, but it's going to be the spring twist hair. It's not going to be this color. I had ordered I think a 1B, so, but what I'm going to do is, I already have the hair. I'm going to actually prepare the hair, and then the winner of the contest, I should say, or the giveaway, the winner of the giveaway, I will I'm going to ship the hair to them. So the only thing they have to do is get it crocheted, go to a stylist, or crochet it in themselves. But I'll have the details of that in the next day or two, I promise, and that video will be up. But I just wanted to give you all a quick update on the hair. The hair is still, the hair's still fire. If I do say so myself, it still look good. So if you have recently subscribed, thank you. If you have been subscribed, thank you. If you ain't subscribed, thank you for watching. But hit the subscribe button, and I really do. I appreciate everybody who looks at my videos. I appreciate everybody who comments. I appreciate everybody who thumbs it up. I even appreciate that one person who gave me a thumbs down so far. I appreciate everything, and I appreciate just everything. I really do appreciate you all. So I will be doing a giveaway, and I will have the rules up in the next video for the giveaway. And thanks so much for watching, and until next time.